Creating options on the site is really helpful because it allows the seller to vary an individual product in whatever way they wish. So if you want to vary by size, such as small, medium, large, or if you have any other option, whether it has the same price or different price levels, and you can also track inventory separately as well. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. So you want to go inside your store, so you can go to the drop down and select your store. And then once you're inside, go ahead and select product list over here from the menu on the left. And then I'm just going to do the first product for simplicity, so I'm going to go ahead and edit it. And then once it takes me inside, you're going to scroll down to the pricing section, which is right here, and you can see pricing type is general, vary by product options, and you want to show or not, and also track inventory. So we're going to go ahead and select vary by product options. If you do keep general, then you can just go ahead and enter the retail price here, and it'll just be a single price for the single product. So once you click vary by product options, you can see that this whole area changes. So you can actually name your option. So in this scenario, I'm going to call it size. And I already pre-populated a little bit of it right here. So you can see I've done small, medium, large, and I have the retail prices change. They vary as the size gets larger. But let's say I just have one of them on sale right here, $22.95. So I'm going to go ahead and make this sale active right here, enter a start date, 10/31 today, and you can select an end date. So let's say I want it to be until the end of the month, until the end of the next month rather, so November 30th. If you do want to add any more fields too, you can actually delete them right here, or you can just keep adding. You can see that it just keeps adding. So as many options as you need, you can just add. And the nice thing is to be able to vary it by price. So let's say I want to track inventory too. You have to make sure that this is selected for track inventory. And if this is selected, an item count is 0, it'll actually say it's unavailable and out of stock. So if you do track inventory, you want to make sure that you actually enter amount in all these fields. So let's say I'm just going to do 1 here, and we'll just do 5 here. So, and make sure that you also do show each option, so that it appears to the buyer at checkout. So anyways, that's basically it for pricing. I'm going to go ahead and save right now, and then I'll show you how it looks to the customer. Also, the other thing I wanted to show you is when you are in the product list, it'll say right here, varies by option, so that you can track which products you've created options for. And then if you do select track inventory, it'll also show varies here as well. So that's what that means. So once I have that saved, I'm going to go over here. I'm actually going to refresh this page since I just added the options. And you can see now, see where it says size, where my mouse is? That was what I created in the settings for that individual product. And then you can see it says please select. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can see that it has everything right here. It shows small, medium, or large for the consumer to select. The small, if you recall, it said only 1 available, and it's the retail price of $15. Medium had 2 available at the price of $20. And the large had 5 available, but those were actually on sale. So you can see that it shows the sale price right here. So whatever the customer selects, they can go ahead and select that product, enter the quantity, and go ahead and add to cart. So it's really, really user-friendly, really easy for the consumer to understand. They can see it because it's blue right here. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, we're always here, so feel free to contact us.